Durability is where the Renogy 400-watt suitcase truly shines. Built with EL-tested Grade A+ monocrystalline solar cells and coated with ETFE film, the panel is designed to withstand decades of use under the harshest environmental conditions. One of the most impressive aspects of the Renogy 400-watt suitcase is its quick and intuitive setup. With integrated MC4 connectors and sturdy fold-out kickstands, you can deploy the system in under a minute. This plug-and-play design ensures compatibility with most portable power stations and battery systems, making it an ideal solution for a wide range of users, from weekend campers to full-time RVers and off-grid homeowners.